Wills can be a very unsettling concept to think about. Understandably, people don't necessarily want to think about their own deaths. But having a will can prove beneficial in the long run, both for you and your family. Often, people don't think about the benefits of having a will, but there are plenty out there. I'm Helen Broom, and today we are covering the top 5 reasons to make a will. Number 1. Peace of mind. Making a will is the only way to ensure that those who you care for can inherit from your estate. If you die without making a will, you have no control over the division of your money, property, and possessions. The intestacy rules will take over. These rules are inflexible, and the outcome can be different from what you might expect or have wanted. Anyone who has specific intentions about providing for a spouse, civil partner, family member, as well as friends or charity, should make a will. Number 2. Control. By making a will, you can appoint people you trust to be executors. An executor is in charge of all the legal formalities required to deal with your estate. This includes establishing your assets and debts, calculating any inheritance tax due, and applying for the grant of probate. Your executors also have a duty to ensure that your estate is distributed in accordance with the wishes set out in your will. Acting as an executor can be a complex task, and your family or friends may not want the responsibility. Many people ask us to work with the family members as executors, and we are always happy to do so. Generations of families have entrusted us with helping their families at this difficult time. If you have children under the age of 18, the appointment of a guardian is an important aspect of your will. Only you know who would be the best person to bring up and care for your children, and we can ensure that the appropriate arrangements are put in place. Number 3. Inheritance tax. No one wants to leave money to the taxman. We can advise you on the intricacies of inheritance tax, helping minimize its effects and explain the various exemptions and reliefs available to you. Number 4. Avoiding disputes. Arguments involving family members after someone has died are becoming more frequent. Leaving a will helps to remove any doubt as to who you wish to benefit from your estate. We can advise you on the best way to defend against any claims which may arise from disgruntled relatives or friends. Number 5. A false economy. Many people try to make their own will at home to save money, but making a homemade will is often a false economy. Many words and terms have specific meanings in law which are different from their everyday use. Homemade wills often do not have the effect that the writer intended. There are also strict rules about witnessing wills, which leads to many homemade wills being invalid as they do not comply. Remember, a will is not written in stone and should be viewed as a living document. It can and should be regularly reviewed and updated if necessary. Please contact us to arrange an appointment to make a will. For more top 5s and other content regarding the legal landscape, subscribe to our channel or follow us on Twitter.